Right, in this video we're going to look at intersecting chords and chords that intersect inside the circle. So we've got chords A, B and C, D intersect inside the circle. CP is 5, DP is 3, BP is 6, find AP. So if you annotate the diagram, so this is 5, this is 3, this is 6 centimeters, and we'll call this one here X, which we've got to find. The formula for this is for the AP times BP. AP times BP is equal to CP times DP. So we've got X times 6 is going to be 5 times 3. So we've got 6x is equal to 15. Divide both sides by 6. We're going to get x is 15 over 6, which cancels down to 5 over 2 centimeters, or 2.5 centimeters. This has been a video to show you how to find a missing length on intersecting chords inside a circle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.